The list of Padma Awards 2015 is out. Along with veteran Dilip Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan has been named for the Padma Vibhushan honour. However, TMC chief Mamta Banerjee feels Amitabh deserves better than the honour offered to him.
Honouring the best across various fields for their unmatched contribution, the Padma Awards were announced on the eve of India's 66th Republic Day. And the thespian being honoured with the second highest honour in the country, the Padma Vibhushan, is Amitabh Bachchan. The award certainly is a worthy follow-up for Big B, who has earlier been honoured with the Padma Shri in 1984 and later with the Padma Bhushan in 2001. And the megastar beautifully penned down his emotions through his blog. The 92-year-old legend Dilip Kumar too becomes another proud recipient of the Padma Vibhushan.
So happy that he has been conferred the Padma Vibhushan. लेकिन सबका दिल ये बहुत था that somehow, a man who has instituted the art of acting in Indian cinema, I mean, he has carried the name of India all over the world, Everyone feels that this is a wonderful thing, great honor, but we would have been even happier if he had been conferred the Bharat Ratna.
While director Sanjay Leela Bhansali, ad man and writer Prasoon Joshi are being honoured with a Padma Shri.
Well, I feel humbled, and it's out of all the awards I've won earlier, this is the most special because it means a lot to your parents as well. I think it makes them happy. And also it's about the body of work rather than one piece of work. So it makes me feel good that maybe I'm doing something right and motivated to do what I'm doing even more.
Other proud awardees from the art arena are Northeast filmmaker Janu Barua as he receives the Padma Bhushan, a Padma Shri for Gujarati writer Tarak Mehta, and a Padma Shri posthumously for cartoonist Pran Kumar Sharma. But this year too, the Padma Awards are not bereft of their own share of controversies. TMC chief Mamta Banerjee made her displeasure apparent, going on to say that Amitabh Bachchan deserved the highest honour in the country, the Bharat Ratna, instead of Padma Vibhushan. While the likes of Yoga Guru Ramdev Baba and Godman Sri Sri Ravi Shankar declined their Padma Awards, others like noted scriptwriter Salim Khan too turned down the honour, claiming that it did not match his body of work. After he received a phone call from the Union Home Ministry informing him about a Padma Shri, the veteran screenwriter politely declined the honour as he feels that the acknowledgement came in too late. Despite its share of controversies and political ire, the Padma Awards remain the most coveted honour in the country. With Aarti Yadav, Sabha Kazi, Times Now.